Hello, my name's Andy Sims. I'm a business development manager for Hoppe UK. The company was started in 1952 by Frederick Hoppe, and we now have a third generation of the Hoppe family on the board. We have manufacturing facilities totaling about 4 million square feet and sales facilities on 3 continents around the world. But we also have a national support network that can provide on-site assistance if required with any of our range. I'm here today at IronmongeryDirect to educate their team on the features and benefits of escape hardware and door closers. Escape hardware is split into 2 different sections. There is panic escape hardware and there is emergency escape hardware. Panic escape hardware is where there may be a panic within the building, so that is in public buildings and needs a crash bar right the way across the door. Emergency escape hardware is items like this, where it's just a small push pad, where you will have staff members who will have been trained in fire drills, and there will not be a panic when there's an event. So when people leave the building, they leave calmly and can push just a pad. So generally speaking, panic escape hardware has a crash bar right the way across the door. Emergency escape hardware has just a push pad. This is an AR883. This is an emergency escape device, so it just has the push pad rather than the crash bar. This version has a latch on the side which releases when you press the pad, and this will give you your exit out of the building. This same pad can be used with an up and down chute bolt when it becomes an AR884 to give you more security than rather than just a latch, but still the same exit facilities just on that pad. This is an AR885K. The K stands for the knob, which is one of the variants available. This is an outside access device, so this would work with the panic hardware, and this connects through the door to the panic hardware on the inside. The panic hardware by design is not a locking feature, so there's no security on it, but it's usually on an outside exit door. So to give you your outside security and your entrance into it, this has a locking device built into it, and using the handle you can open the door from the outside. Moving on to door closers. A door closer is a controlled closing device for a door to ensure that the door closes into the frame properly. Now they come in different variants, different power strengths, different adjustments, but mostly speaking the power strengths are adjusted via template or via spring. So a template one means where you put it on the door, controls the power. A spring one means once you've fitted it already, you can adjust it once it's on the door to control the power. The power is relative to the weight and width of the door. So you have to have an appropriate closer to go in an appropriate size of door. This is the AR1500. By far not just the best-selling closer we do, but one of the best-selling products we do. We sell tens of thousands per year. It's a 2 to 4 by spring adjustment, offers many features and benefits that you'll require out there in the market, and it's available from IronmongeryDirect in multiple finishes. The full range of our own escape hardware and door closers are available now from IronmongeryDirect, so get in touch with them if you need any more information.